I'm going to put in this fence post. It's a 6x6 by 8 treated ground contact. I dug this hole by hand, so I'm really close to the power here. Power's supposed to be right there. I didn't think it was back here, but it's like a 12-inch hole. It's like 30 inches deep. It's got some hard pan down on the sides. I'm gonna put maybe 5 inches of gravel in the bottom. I think I'm at 30 inches, so I want the pole 2 feet out of the ground, or 2 feet in the ground. So I'm going to put 5-6 inches of gravel in the bottom. Set the post. Post is going to be set so that it's just touching the inside of here when it's plumb in this hole. This is the first one. I'm making this one a 6x6. The rest will be 4x4s. What do we got here? It's roughly 30 inches. Trying to get somewhere close, 2 feet, that post in the ground. We can put more in there than that. That's probably where I want to be. Although there isn't much gravel left in here. Use this and tamp it down a little bit. It's really just to help it drain. I just put it down in the bottom of the hole there. Still get about 24 inches to the top of this hole. So I'll go get my post, set it in there, and use a couple of stakes to hold it straight up and down. Still got to go get it my level. Make sure I'm plumb. So I'm just touching this line. So get it so it's just touching the line, and then I'll move the bottom both ways until it's plumb. And then I'm going to put a stick on each side, a stick on this side and a stick that way, screwed to a stake here. Put a stake in the ground there and there, which will hold it plumb until I get the concrete in there. And I may just put one bag in there tonight in the bottom, because I want to build a frame at the top. I'm just going to build a 2x4 frame at the top, so the concrete will come above the ground about an inch. Okay, I've got the post all at the right height. It's all plumb, both directions. So both directions are plumb. And it's just off that line right there, which puts me about 1.5 to 2 inches inside the property line, which is the center of that. So now I'm going to get a bag of concrete, pour it in there, and pour the water in there. It's probably going to take 2, but I'm only going to do 1 tonight to set the bottom. Forget to breathe deep. I don't know if I have to do this, but I'm going to level it out the whole. Oh no. Just knocked dirt in there. Here's the finished post. It's been a few days. Concrete's dry. Put some angle on that so the water will run off of it. I'll take these boards off later. Turned out pretty good, nice and straight. Also did this one, so I'm going to do the rest of them. They're going to be 4x4s. I'm going to have a tube coming just through the top of the ground, and then angle that also so the water will run off of it. So there's a 4x4. This is a 6x6. Measures 5.5 by 5.5. That's of course 3.5. It's not a full 4x4. So I've got two out of 26 in. This one I just finished. That's how I put in a fence post. That's how I did both my fence posts. This is going to be a corner post if I go this way with the fence. The fence is going to go that way. So if I decide to go that way, then this will be the corner. Well, that's all for now.